Do you know what a cake is made out of?
What is the cake made out of?
A cut and an egg.
A cut and an egg. Ah!
Neigh!
Today we are making a horse cake. Welcome to Sweetwater Cakes. I'm Michelle, and I have another friend joining me today. Her birthday is coming up, and we are making a horse cake. So let's get started and sweeten the world. First thing we did is line up our cupcakes so that they look like a horse, right? Mm-hmm. And how many cupcakes do we have? 25 maybe? I don't know. Shape your cupcake so that it looks like a horse. Sometimes you might use 25, sometimes you might use 12. However many cupcakes you need for your cake, right? Okay, next thing we do, we don't want this horse sliding around, so put a little bit of frosting on the bottom of each cupcake. Mm-hmm. And then what do?
We outline it with frosting.
Yeah, so just outline the entire shape of your horse of your cupcake so that it kind of looks like a horse. And then fill it in with some frosting, and we ended up using blobs of frosting to make this horse cake have enough frosting because frosting is amazing. What's your favorite part of the cake, the frosting or the cake?
The frosting.
The frosting. Me too. And I have a link down below that I'll have for our frosting. It is delicious, don't you think? Yeah. Okay, the next thing that we are going to do is we don't really like exactly how many cupcakes we have here. So, Kate, will you eat a cupcake? Or a cupcake and a half? We have too many cupcakes. It doesn't look quite right. So, Kate took one for the team, and she ate a cupcake and a half. Thank you, Kate. Okay, next thing we're going to do is create the mane. What did you call the mane? The hair of the cupcake. And let's make this guy have 2 different kinds of hair. Do you think he dyed his hair, or do you think that his mane comes naturally with 2 different colors?
2 different colors.
Naturally. He's a natural cupcake. Horse. Cake. Subscribe down below to Sweetwater Cakes for lots of fun videos like this with some of my friends and also other fun cakes that I have. Okay, did you know that your hair is so soft and it reminds me of a horse? Your beautiful brown hair looks just like a horse. If we were to name our horse Cake, what should we name him? Or her? Is it a boy or a girl?
A girl.
A girl. What's her name?
Her name is Lovely.
Lovely. Lovely. Lovely. I love that name. I love the name Lovely. Lovely, the cupcake cake horse. Okay, next thing we're going to do is create a little ear for the horse. Only one ear, because this is the side profile, right? You only get to see one ear. You don't get to see the other. Now with this spatula, we're going to create the nice little jaw of the horse, because you can see a horse's jaw with its face, right? We're also going to add a mouth. This is a happy horse. Her name is Lovely, so she's smiling, right? So she stuck her finger up the horse's nose. Why did you do this? Were you looking for boogers?
No.
Well, don't worry, because it is a cake, so if it had boogers, the boogers are probably frosting, right? I hope you didn't lick your fingers. Oh, frosting boogers!
Frosting. Yummy.
Okay, so next we made the eyeball of the cupcake cake, and we swirled it around to make a nice little eyeball with black frosting. And this horse here had little eyelashes because Lovely is a girl. Why do you love horses so much?
Because I get to ride them.
Do you? Have you ever ridden a horse before?
A pony.
You rode a pony? Oh my gosh. Thumbs up for my friend here riding a pony. That is so cool. Was it fun?
Yes.
Good, good. Okay, next thing we're going to do, Lovely is probably having her birthday, or maybe it's a celebration, and she has flowers in her hair. So I'm using this little tip here, and I'm basically just twirling my hand just a little bit as I'm making this flower. And it's all in the twist of the hand and the tip to make this beautiful flower. And then we add just a little bit of yellow on top for the center, right?
Mm-hmm. Then we add sprinkles.
Yes, lots of sprinkles. Last thing, add a few little leaves to the flowers and we're done.
Mm-hmm.
How do you like the cake?
I love it.
You love it. I love it too. This cake is so much fun and it's perfect for her birthday party.
How do you make a horse?
I don't know. How do you make a horse?
Add a "h" and a horse.
Oh, that is so silly. Well, thank you so much for watching Sweetwater Cakes. We hope that you enjoyed our video. You go have a beautiful day and sweeten the world. Bye-bye.